Your business relies on Microsoft 365 to facilitate business processes, so making sure that your Microsoft 365 data is protected and recoverable is critical. Unfortunately, many businesses think that their Microsoft 365 data is safe and always recoverable just because it's stored in the cloud. That isn't true. In the past few years, 72% of companies know or suspect that they have lost cloud-based data. The top causes of data loss for OneDrive for Business are accidental deletions and compromised accounts as a result of ransomware attacks. Regardless of the cause, when faced with data loss, your company can incur high financial costs and become exposed to legal and regulatory non-compliance. This means that it will be liable to pay monetary fines and penalties. Backup from Microsoft 365 from NAKIVO Backup and Replication helps you mitigate these dangers. With OneDrive for Business Backup, perform incremental backups of entire OneDrive for Business user accounts to ensure no data slips through the cracks. And store your data on premises to make sure it's easily accessible. If something happens, you can instantly recover OneDrive files and folders back to the original OneDrive or other authorized Microsoft 365 OneDrive user accounts. For added simplicity, you can search and browse through backups to reduce recovery times. Backup from Microsoft 365 also protects your Exchange online data, so there is no need to worry about losing old emails or important attachments. Pricing for backup from Microsoft 365 is affordable and flexible. You pay only for what you need. Plans start as low as 75 cents per user per month, and you can adjust the number of protected users each month to avoid wasted expenses. Download the full-featured free trial and try out the ultimate data protection software in your own environment.